Good evening. Welcome to the Godbrain Games How to Comment in HTML tutorial. I am Wale. Let's begin. Should be the first of two tonight. So, like and subscribe. Alright, this is easy. So, to comment HTML, you just have to have a less than sign followed by a exclamation point, two dashes, and then to close it, same exact thing except for the no exclamation point on the closing sign, and that's it. So I'll show you from this. This isn't a comment above it, so this will show up. Boom, and comment. Only coders see this, but also don't. I've been told not to ever. I don't know. It's good coding etiquette to never put something you wouldn't want the client to see, just cause like if I backspace one time too many, that's they're about to know everything. You know what I mean? So don't do it to yourself. And yeah, I'll do one more example. I'll let you go. All right. Godbrand loves you. Remember that. Especially when you get tired and bored or something and think, let me just write this, no one's gonna see it. One wrong backspace, like your cat walks across your keyboard. And you're getting a lot of text messages, bro. Anyways, alright. So Godbrand loves you. That's right here. And comment. Stay tuned. Don't even have a good night yet. Stay tuned. And yeah, that's it. It's just a less than sign followed by exclamation point, two dashes, whatever you want to write, two more dashes, and then greater than sign to close it. I think it's so complicated that you'll never forget it. Like I already remember it discussed. Why would I ever write a comment like that? All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.